Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening. So last session, I had show you how to install Oracle database, and my Oracle database is SQL open. It's command prompt is open. My password is system password and sorry, Mumbai. Oh, sorry, system/system and hit enter. My connected. Okay, and I had create one table called EMP. So let me show you how. So let's start from EMP. Okay, so two data inserted, and just for the checking purpose, my database working or not. Okay, today I'm showing you how to prepare JDBC application, simple application, not more than that. Okay, so let me start. Okay, so in here, where is our batch? Here, this batch. Okay, here create one folder. Example. In the example, first I am preparing same example using Edit Plus, simple notepad, and next I will show you how to prepare same example on my Eclipse IDs. Okay, so wait, open notepad. Okay, so first of all, let me shape this. Shape. Like insert, I want to insert the data. Insert app dot Java. Sorry, not like insert. Like file name is the insert. Okay. Yeah. I want to insert one record into the database. Okay. So here my exam folder, the one Java 10 examples. Okay. So save. So first of all, prepare first class. Okay. Public class. Insert. Class name and file name should be same. If class name and file name should it's different, then you should compile and run two different files. First compile using the file name, then run by using the class name. So my recommendation, file name and class name should be same, so you can easily compile and run. So next, public static, write a main method, void main. If you are learn from the core Java, that's the basic string args. Okay, you can create any argument. I don't want to use here try and catch. Simply throws exception. Okay, I will not teach here like every statement. When we discuss about all these topics, then I will tell you. I will discuss all this statement, how to execute, how to load the classes, how to establish the connection. First thing is load driver class. Okay, so our driver class, this is the class for name, this is the method. So here you can write your driver class name. Okay, my driver class name is oracle dot jdvc dot oracle driver. Okay, um, close it. Next prepare. Yeah, next prepare, we have prepared called establish connection. Establish connection. Okay, what is the create one connection object on equals to driver manager dot get connection. Here you can write your driver class name. Here you can write your URL. here is right URL. What is the my URL? And Oracle JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at the rate local host colon 1521 colon ORCL. This is the service name ORCL. Okay, so here you can write my password is system and my username also the system. Okay, so here you load the driver and connection establish. The next step, create statement. Okay, how to create a statement? I am using a simple statement. So statement st equals to on dot create statement. Okay, here you can pass the query. Here you can pass the query if you want. Then you don't want, then it's okay. The next, pass the query like insert into my database name is let me check what time. My database name emp. Okay, so here emp values, and first is value integer type, so not required to pass single quote. If you value your character type, if data type is character type, then inside the Java application, inside the Java code, we should provide these data type in single quotes. Like I want to insert itric. Okay, itric. I want to insert itric. Simple. Close the braces and simple. And then next thing is execute the query. Int I. If you want int I, why? Because execute update method. Execute update method here. This query you can pause here. Execute update method. Yeah. Prepare statement. So here int type row count. Sorry for that. Here is not pass. We cannot pass in the inside this. We can prepare execute. So st dot execute update method is there. So here you can pass the query. Okay, here simple. Sorry for that. Simple query is prepared and execute update method is prepared. And next thing, let me check my data inserted or not. If not required, if here too much code. It's so simple. Print as well system dot out dot print l. Simple. Record inserted successful. Whatever, don't mind my spelling is, I think. Okay, so what is the row count? Okay, good. If data is inserted, then this statement is executed and row count value will become 1, and first time data will inserted. So let me execute. So first you should know how to execute JDBC application. You should know. So follow my steps, then you will get the clarity. Okay, so first, if a driver class in the C drive, in my case my Oracle database is installed in some other drive called E drive. So I will set the data at runtime called the set class path by using class path. So this is the important part. I'm not set the permanent into the C drive. I'm not saving the. I'm not save the. Okay. I'm not going to save set the permanent JDBC jar files. I'm just execute here. So come. So how? So you can get clarity how to execute in different drive. So come here. So create a new class. Today's class. Today class 5. Okay. So not here. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not here. Delete and come here. Back. Yeah. Class. Class 5. I will write each steps and also I will share the code you can execute. First steps to execute. Steps to execute JDBC application. Okay. So first first step is set the class path. Set the class path JDBC jar file. JDBC jar file called OJD. In my case, OJDBC. Okay. bc.jar. Okay. So how set I will show. So in my system, E drive and app product and there's DB search press J, then you will get JDBC folder, then here lib folder, go inside the lib, select that and select the jar file called OJDBC, control A C. Okay. Yeah. Copy the path where your jar file jar file is existed. Okay. So paste jar file path and simply. So here, how if you do not know, if you don't know where your file save, simple open and here type cmd. This is the another way to open your command prompt. Okay, here you open your command prompt also. If you know where your file saved, then open a simple go and here where my file is examples in my Java. Yeah, examples. Here also open it this way in cmd. Okay. So I want to set. So please set class path equals to paste. This is the command you can execute where your .java file is existed. Simply. Okay. So here cmd come down here. So cls clear the screen and this command prompt is ready to execute your JDBC application. This command prompt is ready to execute your JDBC application. So next thing is simple. Do not do anything. Then simply run your application. If getting an error, I will solve this error. Okay. So how to run Java application? Simple Java C What is your file name or file name? Insert.java. Enter. If any error. Oh, okay, okay. So class con and driver manager, these files are not exist. Why? Because I'm not importing the SQL package, MySQL package. So we should insert SQL package, SQL import. I'm importing all packages like java.mysql. Okay. So it will fetch all these files. It's good. So let me check running good or not. Yeah, it's MySQL does not exist. MySQL does not exist. Okay, okay. Java.mysql driver manager not exist via MySQL. Let me check. So here, not a MySQL, not MySQL, SQL. Package is SQL. So let me try one more time. Here also. Yeah, compile successfully. I want run Java like insert. Insert. Yeah, record inserted one. It's one. So let me check here my database. Okay. SQL plus. So system/system connected. Select star from EMD. 1 1 and I trick is inserted. So our insertion is success. I will show you this example by using IDEs. Okay, how? So let me open my IDEs softwares IDs. Yeah, I'm using 2000 this IDs. So okay, here create one file called our batch timing adv hyphen adv java 10 p.m. Okay, where D drive in D drive launch. It's launching. Minimize this. So using set and here how to run JDBC see application. So simple code here code is there. So inside that first command is step one is CMD open CMD and inside CMD type Java C, try file name insert.java and next CMD Java C, sorry Java insert class. It's a simple process to your insert the data inside the database. Okay, so let me show you the same example. Not a same example. Inserting the data this way, then I want to retrieve the data from the database by using IDs. Okay, it's a simple process I will show you. Okay. How to run? Yeah. Write this code. Write this. Okay. CMD also required, and also this one and this one. Ha. Okay. Our my Eclipse ID is open. So close this, not required. So here, open this Java folder. I want this. Like I don't want my main project. I want simple Java project. So open file. Here also you can create web project and web content. Yeah. It's there. Align will decline. Okay, I don't want this. It's a free. It's free. You can download from my Eclipse website. How you can download? I will show you. Don't worry. In the last in last 2 or 5 minutes, I will show you how to download. Don't worry. So open new, click new, and Java project. Find the Java project. Here, anything here is Java project? No, no, not there. So open other. Search here Java project. Here Java project is there. So click next. Simple steps here. Okay, here project name. My project name is JDBC app. Sorry, Java VC JDBC app. Okay, so I am using Java SE8 version. So why? Because we had installed Java 1.8 version. So JRE is automatically selected. Next, click on next. So here, your folder detail and projects and whatever you can add it. Or simple click open perspective. Okay, here minimize this, minimize all these things. Not required. Not required. And also minimize this. Oh, okay, good. So here you can create here src folder. Inside the src folder you can create any files. First I'm creating one package. Right click, open new package. First I'm creating package. Next dot name source folder finish java package src name jdbc, not a jdbc, like com dot itrick. Okay, com dot itrick. So package name. Inside the package we have created one file class name class. First I want to insert the data. Okay, insert. I want to create all these things are automatically create. Don't worry. So simple, click on public static void main. I want this method, so that's why inherit abstract methods. Which method is there in like java dot line dot object class? It will inherit abstract automatically. So create finish and class template will be created. Okay, it's coming. So it's there. I think font is visible. Everyone, no. Open preferences. If you want to open your increase your font, then go preferences, select mm, journal. Okay, journal here. Come down editor and appearance. Open appearance and color and fonts. Inside the color and fonts, there's console terminal. Okay, add it, and I want like this. 14 enough. Okay, 16 apply. Just apply. Font terminal is good, but I want to basic. Go open basic and open text font. Add it, and I want like 14. Let me check. 14 is enough. Yeah, 14 is good. So apply. So here it's very simple. So first, you should build a path, like import your jar files inside the package, then it will run. Then your project will run using the JDBC application. So first, configure build path, and here you can file the libraries. Come here, add external jar. Here you can add libraries. So wherever software, where app product, and inside 1.11 domain. Inside the domain, press J and automatically it will recognize lib. Inside the lib, ojdvc.jar file is there. Apply and apply. Then it will all this process are there. Like I want to here try and catch. Okay, why? Because here try and catch is easy. Try. You want try and catch? Oh, don't want. It's okay. Pass throw and catch. Throws exception. Throws exception. Now the exception. Throws exception. Here, load the class name. This is the beauty of ID. Let me show you. Load the class for name. And method is automatically recognized and pass the simple name like Oracle dot jdbc dot Oracle driver. So the driver class name and simple connection. Establish the connection con. We do not want to import the packages manually. Should press the control and shift, then it will automatically recognize java.sql. So hit enter, then it inserted. Okay, so connection con equals to driver manager dot get connection. Okay, and simple. What is your URL name? My URL name jdbc colon oracle colon thin colon @ local host colon and 1521, and in my case my port number is 1521 and my service name is ORC. Okay, and my username is system and my password is system. I want to import the driver manager class, then so import like control shift. If spelling mistake is there, manager. Yeah, it is imported automatically. So here in here you cannot compile the word. When you save the file here, it will automatically compile. At the time of writing, it will recognize where error will come. Okay. So our is last done. Okay. Then second, create the statement. Then statement. Okay. This is the beauty. Statement is coming. So statement st equals to like con dot create. Create statement will come. Simple here. Create. Then I want to insert the data. So hint row count equals to st dot execute update method is there. Then simple here. Pass the query like insert into emp values equals to like I want to insert this time 444. Like I want here insert one like I trick chain at the time small, at trick. Okay, here you can close the parenthesis here. Okay, good. And semicolon. Let's recognize the errors. So here parenthesis double quotes is outside of the bracket. So here, if you want to check, then if, like this is the beauty. I will show you. If press the control. If statement is coming, if condition statement, all these things. If row count equals to 1, then print here s out. Simple print s out and press control shift control space, then it will automatically all this statement will light here. So insert record plus 1 plus row count here, else s out type insert in record insertion failed failed failed. Okay, in case so I want to execute, so simple here, click this button, run. Okay, exception is coming, this type of exception. The network adapter could not establish the connection. Yeah, okay. The network adapter could not establish the connection because Oracle established. Class.jdbc.oracle. Class name is good, yeah. Let's get to manage classes. And already insert the library. So I want to insert this same code. Let me check it. This code. Okay. Here, select and simple control comment. Okay. Control shift backslash and paste the code. Okay. So run same code. Yeah, here I think the spelling mistake may be there. That's why it successfully inserted or not inserted. So same data it's inserted. I want to like insert different data. So here can like 555. I want to 444. Okay, 444. And this now I trick is this one. Their connection driver manager Oracle dot JDBC dot all driver. Okay. Driver manager dot JDBC dot Oracle dot thin colon or local host 15 ORC. It's good, yeah. Okay. No issue. Remove this code. Not required. Okay. So save. So run one more time. So right click on your file. So here run as Java application. Also, this is the way you can also run. Okay. Record is inserted. Let me check here. Come down. 3 record 441 and 2 times is inserted 111 record. Okay. So I want to retrieve the data. So comment this. So I want to comment this. This is the multi-line comment you can use here. So I want to retrieve the data. So first of all, these statements are mandatory, so not required. So here, this up to this statement is mandatory. Pivot statement like I want result set. So I want like execute query st dot execute execute query method is there. You can find it. Execute query method. Yeah. Pass the query. What is the query? Select star from emp. Okay. So it will. I want all these data. I want all these record. Okay. So it execute query method return type is result set. So first result set rs equals to this. So import the package. Click same process. Control space. If check if rs dot not if data is there, also data is there, if there, then while I want to use in while loop, while rs dot next, when data is there then it will iterate, okay, in the rs. So system dot s out equals to rs dot rs dot get rs dot int int of int of column number is 1. Okay, simple. So next is as out rs dot get string. This time is string string. Okay, column number 2. Here you can also pass the column number and column number and column value, like ename also. So here you can retrieve the results data. So let me show how. So rs, it's good. Let me try run in the application. Yeah, record is retrieved. 11 AAA, and this it's like I want same line. I don't want print. I want like print same line. Okay. Slash t plus slash t for that tab that we check. So run. Yeah, good. 1111 and 123 BBB. All these record is inserted. If you want, you can also retrieve one by one. Here, pass the query like where equals to like env11 like where emp1 where env equals to like 111. Okay, it will retrieve only 111 record. Let me check it's doing well or not, executing or not. Yeah, 111 record is retrieved. This is the conditional query. So this is the two examples. Yes. Yeah, this example also I'm sharing with the document. And this document, where is my document here? Yeah, example using IDs. Okay, so here you can run, install the database and try this code. And yeah, Mr. I will show you how to download Eclipse ID. Don't worry, I will show you how to download. Maybe talking about next session. Uh, in this session. Okay. Because I have another session here. Okay, let me show you fast mode. open Google Chrome and simply search here. You are the engineer, I think, so somewhere you search my Eclipse. So Eclipse download. Hit enter. Open Eclipse Foundation. Yeah. Open it here and download 86 and 64-bit. Also download packages and download here. Click here. And here you can download it. Simple. Click this. Okay. It's downloading. Pass. Okay. It's going downloading .exe file. So I don't want this. Okay. Decline. So this is the simple process. You can download Eclipse and try to run this example. If you have any query, then comment on a YouTube. This video also available on YouTube, on Facebook. Yeah. Yes, Mr. Amit. Mr. Amit, we will start tomorrow session. We will go with the our syllabus. Our syllabus is. Let me show you. 1 minute. Give me time. Advanced Java example. Where is our syllabus? I think syllabus is not there. So I'm sharing with you this syllabus in my channel IT Coding Park Telegram. You will get. I hope you will get. Okay, try to join. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for joining me, everyone. And we will meet tomorrow and go with our syllabus one by one. Complete this all these syllabus topics and all these things. Okay. Okay. Okay, Mr. Nadeem. Okay, Mr. Nadeem. नहीं नहीं अपन सारा पढ़ेंगे सारा ऑल टोटल जितना मैंने सिलेबस में डिस्कस किया है सारा वन बाय वन करके हम एक एक करके सारा ही पढ़ेंगे ठीक है भाई ऐसा नहीं कि मैं छोड़ दूंगा यार पूरा बेसिक टू हाई पहले थ्योरी फिर एग्जांपल थ्योरी एग्जांपल थ्योरी एग्जांपल दिस कॉम्बिनेशन गोइंग ऑन हाँ ये हो सकता है एक टॉपिक ऊपर नीचे अप डाउन हो सकता है कि मैं कोई टॉपिक पहले करा दूं कोई टॉपिक बाद में कराऊं इट्स अवर रिक्वायरमेंट सिलेबस जस्ट फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन पर्पस दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डिस्कसिंग विद दिस सिलेबस but I will complete it. Okay. Thank you. Try to subscribe my channel at Recoding Park. Okay. Subscribe my channel for the futures video. But because I am planning for the also called Hibernate session. So when okay at least 10 to 15 days may 10 to 15 and may earlier 5 to 6 days 2 or 3 days it depends on me okay when I will plan then I will launch on my Facebook page called IT Coding Par I will announce okay yeah where I will start Hibernate sessions okay share with your friend also yeah try to join more and more people okay thank you for watching thank you